All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to make a custom grid. So let's start with a new doc, and I've got a square one just for the sake of math and making this easy. So you can change your units here. You can also do it later, which I'm going to show you. So I just did 20 by 20, and this is in inches. Yeah, use whatever units you need. So first of all, let's go to View, and let's get our rulers out. We can see here 20, right? 20 inches, 18, 19, 20. And then view, and let's show the grid. So this is a grid. This is a pretty complex one. It's got you can see 2-inch main grid and then little subdivisions. There's 4 of them. So, 2 inches right there. Boom, boom. Now, settings. And you can actually get any of these settings. It really doesn't matter because watch, you open it and they're all right here anyways. So units, again, like I said, you can change those. And then guides and grid. This is guides that you pull down from the ruler. We're not talking about those really. But color of the grid itself, you can change that, and then just hit this little box up there to close it, and then it activates it. Um, okay, and then we've got, well, like I said, this is a 2-inch box, and it's got 4 little subdivisions, so you can see it goes, right, lines up right with all the inches. It's perfect. So let's just go, you know, let's leave it at 2 inches, but I'm going to get rid of these subdivisions. This 0, and then hit OK. See that? Now, so yeah, I've got a 2-inch, 4-inch, 6, 8, 10. Perfect, right? All the way up and down. Same thing, vertical. So you can change that around all you want. And then this is a very key thing as well. So snap to grid. So right now, I can draw a square and it's just going to do whatever, right? Nothing going on there. Just the grid's not even there, really. I mean, it is, but it's not doing anything. Um, so we can go to view and we can hit snap to grid. Now, watch what happens here. I'm going to change the color of this actually, so it looks a little better. Get rid of that. Okay, here we go. Now, yeah. So let's watch this. See that? I'm not holding. I'm just drawing squares. So if you want to make a chessboard, here you go. Boom. Pretty sweet, right? So yeah, so they're snapping now. So that's awesome. You move them around, it's just going to go boom, boom, like right into the grids. So depending on what you need, I'm sure you could do it with a circle, boom, pretty awesome and really good for just, quick layouts. So yeah, just go up here, settings, if you want to mess with it, guides and grid, and now let's go 4 inches and let's have 4 subdivisions and you'll see, boom, yeah. Then you want to make these 4 inches, just go like that. And they even snap, see that? In increments. Really cool. Powerful way to do it if you need it. So, it's just one of those things. If you don't know where to click, well, you're going to have to dig around. So, hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.